Hello everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can unpublish or deactivate your Facebook page. So for that you need to log into your browser and open facebook.com. After opening facebook.com you just need to log into your account, and once you log in to your account, then from your account section here you select the page you want to unpublish or deactivate. And after you select the page, your page will pop up, and after that you go to your account section again and then go to settings and privacy, and again click settings. After that you just need to click privacy. After clicking privacy you just need to go Facebook page information, and after that, as you can see here, we can deactivate or unpublish, or even we can delete our page from here. So let's go view. So in this case we are going to deactivate our page, or we can say we want to unpublish. It's the same thing, but in Facebook it says deactivate. So after selecting deactivate, then press continue. Then we have to type our password. Let me type my password. After that this will pop up. You just need to select a reason for which you want to delete your page. For me, just select first one. It says would you like to log out instead of deactivating your account? I said just cancel, and after that you just need to click deactivate. After that this will pop up, and now you just need to click deactivate. Yeah, that's it. The page has been deactivated. It will be deactivated from your account. So yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.